Angel hair with balsamic tomatoes. A main dish from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Saute the garlic in olive oil until lightly browned. Step 2. Do this in a skillet large enough to hold the tomatoes later. Step 3. Leave garlic in skillet. Step 4. Place tomatoes, salt and pepper, basil and balsamic vinegar in a non-reactive bowl and set aside for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 5. Boil water for pasta. Step 6. Just before you put the pasta in the water, drain tomatoes and reserve the juice that runs off. I usually set my colander on a dinner plate. Step 7. Put the angel hair pasta in the water to cook for the recommended amount of time. Step 8. Heat your garlic skillet and toss drained tomatoes briefly just to heat. Step 9. They should retain their shape. Step 10. The pasta should finish cooking, usually no more than 5 minutes for angel hair, at the same time the tomatoes are ready. Step 11. Toss the pasta and tomato mixture together and serve with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.